Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can cut wooden planks using angle grinder. So before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, please subscribe it once again. Okay guys, so the very first thing you should do is to select a suitable blade. Okay, because your blade is really important. So for wood there are some blades, for metal there are some blades, so get a suitable blade, because if you don't have a suitable blade you're gonna have problems. Okay, then this is my garage. It's not the workshop where I have the holder where I can lock it, but basically when things like angle grinder runs, it generates a lot of vibration, so it's very important that the piece you are working on stays steady. Okay, if you're like in actual workshop on factories where it gets locked, that's the easiest way to hold it. Otherwise, like it should be held properly. Otherwise, if it holds, your cut will not be proper. Next is you should have proper safety precautions. Okay, especially I would recommend like putting eyeglasses, protecting eyeglasses, because what's happens is like when it generates a lot of particles, right? Especially when you cut metal or wood something, so those chipped particles should not enter your eyes, right? So it's very important to have your eyes covered. Okay, and then put the blades on, and then once you are ready, we are gonna do this. Okay, so let's proceed. So I'm gonna do this now. I removed the safety handle, but because it's a very minor project. Okay, so in the actual workshop, when you have it hold the holder to hold the paper, wooden or any pieces, it's gonna be much easier. Okay, see, still it cuts the wood. And it's very important to hold this steady, so use safety handle. Because I'm making the video, that's why I just removed it so that I can use, but in our actual workshop place, don't do that. Okay, so that is how it works guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe.